It's test. Crappy lighting in this room, and we're doing pandemic project number, I don't know, 134?
3?
3. Okay, 3. It's more than 3.
Okay.
We did 3 today.
Okay, your definition of project is
so good.
Severely different.
But speaking of projects,
yeah.
in the land of working at home, Kanban boards and shit behind you so your office looks like something is important. So.
Yeah, it's the facade.
So we're making a magnetic Kanban board that you can write on with dry erase markers, and it'll just be a nice backdrop and functional all at the same time. And hopefully the sound is good. I don't know. It's the first time we're trying the camera. And basically we're going to take sheet metal, we're going to fix it to the wall so it doesn't fall off and kill somebody. And that's what we're doing. Sheet metal, 18 gauge.
Right, and so like you just get that right from Home Depot, right?
Mm-hmm, get from Home Depot.
Can
we're going to use 75-pound wall anchors.
You do curbside pickup so you don't get the COVID?
Don't get the COVID.
Okay.
These are self-tapping, I love them. Stick these magnets, good to go. Here, and I'm thinking about doing the framing as I mentioned earlier on the edges, but it's kind of industrial-ish and kind of dig that. But anyway, I'm going to put up just a simple, basic wooden shelf here up underneath so that like pens on it and, you know, maybe some small books or magnets or whatever else you use for these things. So anyway, we're doing that now. And that is how you do it.
What?
I said that's how you do it. Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because these are my Agile books. We're all the way across. That's some office-y shit.
That's
some
right
office-y.
there.
That's
Look at that. The leader's office.
Yeah, because I mean, clearly, look, there's a whole process here for keeping all those ideas just going. Going. Yeah. It's the idea. It's the idea machine right here.
It is. All right, great.
But it does look good. I mean, it's pretty cool. And it didn't, well, I would have thought those were a little cheaper than they were. But what I was going for is something to take up the whole back space. You know, so it shows in the whole video. And that, you know, it looks like furniture. So you accomplished that.
Yep.
So what is that, 30?
40 bucks.
40 bucks, that's pretty good. You should tell Garrett.
Okay. We'll tell Garrett.